Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So this video, the question that we'll be dealing with is a very interesting question. The questions involving the concept of primarily LCMs. Okay, so it's a very interesting question in general. So we'll try and discuss this question and also try and understand a very important concepts in regards to LCM as well. So this sort of questions are quite frequently asked in examinations like your GRE and GMAT, and also in examination like CAT, SNAP or ZAT, etc. So these are very interesting question, and this is one of the more difficult ones. Okay, so which involves an in-depth understanding on how to go about solving this kind of questions. So having said that, let us just take a look at the question and also try and understand the approach of the same as well. Okay, so LCM of 1728 and 5184. LCM of 1728 and K is 1584. Then find the number of possible values of K. So we have, say, one number is 1728. So 1728 can be written as 728. So suppose I write 4 2 2 2 6 108 to 27. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 to the power 6 into 3 cube. Okay, so 1728 can be written in this way. So now next up another number we have as K. Okay, when it K is value, and their LCM is given as 518 and 4. So 5184 can be written as 5184. So it can be written as say 2 2 4 5 10, 2 again 2 12 14, 2 4 8, 6 2 6 23. Oh sorry, yeah, this will be 9 6. Okay, so so that would be 648 again 2 324 again 2 162 again 281, so 3 to the power 4. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 4. Okay, so this is what we have over here. Now notice one thing. Suppose I have two numbers. Okay, suppose I have two numbers, one being ax and another being bx. Okay, so LCM will be the common part x. Okay, the common part being x and into a into b. Okay, so now notice one thing. In this regards, suppose this I can again write 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3 into 3. Okay, I can write this in this sort. Okay, so here now k is a certain term. Let me try and find one thing. Suppose I take these two terms. Okay, let me take this 3 to the power 4 in general. Okay, because the answer has this term, so I am assuming 3 to the power 4 will have to come from here. Okay, so suppose I take 3 to the power 4, that is 81 and 1728. Okay, and if I find the LCM in this regards, then what I have is 3 7 10 and 18. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 22 7 ja 21, 18 6. Okay, if I again do it by 3 3 9, so 3 1 ja 3 9 2, again if I go with 3, 3s are 9, 6 18, 4, and finally 3 again, 1 3, oh no, that's it. Okay, so this would be 81. Okay, okay, sorry, my bad, my bad. Oh no, 81 into 64, so 5184. This LCM again comes out to be 5184. Okay, so therefore 3 to the power 4 will be here. So since 3 to the power 4 will be here, the only variance that we'll be seeing is with respect to this power. Okay, 2 to the power 6, that is 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 0 also give us 5184. Okay, so similarly 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 1 will also give us that value. 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power square also give us same LCM, and 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power cube also give us same LCM, and similarly 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 6 will also give us the same LCM. So therefore K's value will simply be 3 4 into 2 to the power 0 equal to 3 4 into 2 to the power 1 equal to 3 4 into 2 square equal to 3 4 into 2 cube equal to 3 4 into 2 4 equal to 3 4 into 2 5 and equal to 3 4 into 2 6. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So we'll have 7 values all together. Okay, here the x part would simply be 3 to the power 4, the common part. Okay, in all of this, and the variance we'll be seeing in 2's power. So it's always good to simply take up the LCM and split it into the prime factors and try and divide with one of the try and find the LCM of the same with one of the numbers and see if we are getting the desired LCM or not. Okay, that would come out to be very easy, because once we found out using 3 to the power 8, now we know that if we reduce this particular value we will not get this LCM. Okay, but we can change the value of 2's power. Okay, so we can alter that. So this was the way we can approach this kind of question. So hopefully this thing is clear to you. In case you have any doubt, just go through the entire video and try to understand about the explanation I have given towards the same, and subsequently when you have a clear idea of the same, try and solve this question on your own, keeping the video as a reference. Okay, that should give you plenty good insights with regards to the problem itself. It's a very good question, a little difficult as well, just to understand the same. Although the question seems like very easy, but it is actually quite difficult just to comprehend whatever is going on in this regards. Okay, now having said that, if you are looking for similar sort of questions or solutions of the same with respect to multiple papers, be it your VRC section, the QA section, or the LRDI section as well, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to provide you with the detailed solution of the same as well. Okay, having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.